In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lovable web app in Shopify. Our goal is to grab the exact file you'll need from Lovable so you can place it into your Shopify store afterward. We'll move through the Lovable dashboard together, make sure you're in the right project, and pull down the proper file from the code view so you're set up for a smooth embed. Start by heading to the Lovable dashboard home. This is your jumping off point for everything related to your apps and projects. From here, you'll be able to access the full list of what you've built and quickly navigate to the one you want to embed. If you work across multiple workspaces or teams, double check that you're viewing the correct one so you don't download from the wrong environment. Next, open the All Projects view. This expands your scope so you're not limited to just recent or pinned items. Use search or filters if you have a lot of entries. Matching by project name and the most recent update date is a good way to confirm you're about to open the right app. It's also helpful to note the project icon or description to avoid confusion later. Now click into the specific project you plan to embed. Once you're inside, take a second to verify it's the correct build or environment you intend to ship to Shopify. If your team maintains multiple variants, look at any labels, branches, or environment notes available in the project to ensure alignment with what's live or about to go live in your store. Open the code view for this project. This section contains the source files and often any assets or snippets intended for embedding. You might see a README or notes that clarify which file is the embed target. If those hints are present, use them as your guide. In general, you're looking for a single file or snippet that represents the embeddable part of your app, commonly an HTML file, a JavaScript bundle, or a snippet that can be included where needed. Finally, download the file. When you click Download File, Lovable will package the item you selected so you can store it locally. Save it in a clearly labeled folder and keep track of its version, especially if you anticipate future updates. If your project includes multiple candidate files, pick the one explicitly designated for embedding by its name or documentation. With that download complete, you now have the asset you'll place into your Shopify theme or page according to your store's setup. That's it. You went to the Lovable home, opened all projects, selected your project, switched to the code view, and downloaded the file you'll embed. Keep this file secure, and if your app changes later, repeat these steps to get the latest version. Thanks for watching, and you're ready for the Shopify part next.